Hey, what up, Rock fam? Figured it was time for another Tumbler reveal. These have been sitting down here for like a month. I haven't been tumbling lately. I've been busy working on a top secret project, what I'm going to inform you all about very soon. In the meantime, let's go look at some rocks. All right, Rock fam. So these rocks have been sitting down here for like 3 weeks, a month. I was behind. I was caught up. I used to have so many Tumbler videos that were done. Now I have none. So let's go ahead and look at some cool rocks. I got some of these. I've been tumbling them recently. And I'm fairly certain it's some kind of rhyolite with garnets in it. They turn out really nice and shiny. Some of the garnet stuff don't, but that's kind of expected if it is garnet. What do you guys think? You think that's garnet? We got a couple more of them here. You might as well peek at them all right now, right? Boom. All three of them. I'm not sure. I think I was getting these at Wildcat Shores. Like this one didn't turn out the greatest, but I mean they are shiny, and it's just those divots. You know, the garnets kind of break down. They're not so hard. They got a hardness of like 3 or something, I think. The one I polished turned out awesome, but maybe I should have polished those our way. Let's see here. Let's do some quartzy McNubbins. Yeah, I've been working on a top secret project here. I haven't been doing as much rock stuff lately, but I'm going to release it soon. I am hoping that you all enjoy it very much. I think you will. I think it'll be super useful. All right, look at this. We got a bunch of quartz. Look at that limonite stain one. I like that limonite stain one. He's cool. He's cool. Some straight milky, a little bit crackly quartz in a way. Kind of a wee bit crackly. All right. So these other ones they're all right. Nothing too crazy there. Look at this guy. Wow. At first I was thinking he didn't take a shine at all, but he actually took a really good shine in a way. I'm thinking that's some sort of blue chert. What do you guys think? Do you think that's blue chert? Definitely looks blue and cherty, that's for sure. Piece of purple chalcedony. And green on it. It's pretty cool. Took a really nice shine. Just as everything does now, because, you know, started our new tumbling rules. Make sure you watch that video if you haven't seen it yet. That 3 days is definitely doing some wonders. Those are cool. This guy hella smoky. I like him too. There's so many pretty ones. So many pretty ones. We got this guy here. This is the prettiest one. Got a little bit of undercutting on the back there. That's really cool. I like him. Her. It. Whatever this rock identifies as. That old quartz. Let's see. Oh, let's go green. Let's go green. We're going to go small green, then we'll go big green later. That Unakite's really nice. That's kind of cool. This is kind of cool. It's very Epidote kind of in a way. Or not Epidote, Prehnite-y. The light green, not the darker green. Look at that one. Oh, dude. I like that like little frame he has. He's up. I guess you could say that's a wishing stone. That's a wishing stone. I count that as a wishing stone. Those lines. It's weird. Another weird quartzy McNubbins. Another big quartz. That one's pretty. You gotta find out something to do with all these rocks. What should we do with all the rocks, Rock fam? Should we start selling these things in buckets or something? Ooh, look at that quartz. That quartz is somewhat see-through. Translucent-ish. Oh, looks like he's kind of got some nice going on. Kind of nice. You got here. That looks like a piece of petrified wood. And that looks like a piece of crazy lace, I want to say. What's this guy? A little bit of like a metamorphosed basalt. Another one's kind of like another metamorphosed basalt. I kind of like that rust line. That rust line kind of gives it some character. I like it. It's cool. It's cool. This guy. A little bit of undercutting. It's kind of expected. Oh, it's not really undercut over here, though. That's super smooth. That's a nice palm stone. We got a couple little bumps on the side, but not too bad. It's actually turned out really nice. All right, this big green guy here. This big green guy. Ooh, look at those pink flecks in them. Got a little cracky crack there. That's a really nice rock. That's a really nice rock. I like that too. We're going to keep those for after. Let's look at this guy. This one didn't polish the greatest. He's just because he don't polish good, I think is what it is. Not because of what we did. Because of it. We're actually going to run a video of repolishing a bunch of stuff like that didn't take good polish. We're going to try some stuff. See if we can get them to polish nicely. Play well with others and such. Couple little pieces of Unakite. That one's kind of cool just because how it broke. You just got that little bit of quartz there you can pretty much see through. It's weird, it looks so fake. Let's get all the little guys. Let's get all the little guys. Oh, there we go. Got all them little guys. All of them little ones. You can make a aquarium gravel thing or something. Aquarium gravel grab bag. This little clear piece of quartz. And some purple chalcedonous. And then whatever this guy is, he's not purple chalcedonous. He's just along for the ride. Oh, look at another little guy. Oh, okay, through him. Look at that little guy. You can jump in with these smoky buddies. One looks like he's chert. That one looks kind of cherty over here. That one's smoky quartz. That's rhyolite-ish. Rhyolite-ish. Should look at next. Should look at next. What's this actually? Yeah, that too. And these guys, they're nothing to do with each other. They just look like two cool rocks to look at. Look at the almost copper in that. I'm not sure. Almost got some metal fleckiness going on. A couple more. Oh, I was gonna say kind of grandy, but there's a lot of feldspar in there. All that chatoyance. That chatoyancy. The chatoyancy, friends. That guy. Pretty cool. I like the feldspar. Feldspar's cool. Look at these guys. Ooh. That black in that one. Got a nice glassy look to it. Ain't no way you wet. You've been sitting down in this basement for 3 weeks on a towel. Some cool ones. See here, some more little ones. Put you all in the middle here. Ew, I like this one. That one's nice. I like that. See what else we got here. There's cool patterns in that. I like that. This one's got a couple spots that just didn't wear the greatest. I mean, look at this side and it's shiny as hell. It's not that it didn't polish good. It's just whatever that was there. It didn't like it. It didn't like to be polished. I like this guy. This guy's got some depth in him. Got a little depth to him. A little pit there. Couple pink ones. So a pink one and a white and pink, white and red. It's weird. It almost looks like it has a dent there, but that's smooth. Super smooth. Super smooth, yeah. Silky smooth, like scrappy cocoa. Couple more quartzy guys. I always got this quartzy guys in there. Let's see, we're gonna go with these ones next. Ooh, that red one. I'm gonna give this guy this little pirouette, have him show around. He's like, hey, look, I got a little undercutting. My friend don't. My friend's cool. I got a little bit of a druzy pockety thing there, but that one's cool. I like that one. I like the reds. All right, we're gonna go with these two. Nice piece of granite. See, granite shines nice. I have to prove that to y'all. People out there lying to you, saying that granite's a bad rock. Granite's can be a good rock. I like that red one. A really good shine. It's weird that white there, because that's not like on the rock or anything in the rock. That's just a white mark, I guess. Just got a white mark going through it. And of course, this guy, little piece of crazy lace. Turned out all right. All right, Rock fam, I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, I have an announcement coming soon for a project I've been working on for the last month. It's kind of the reason why I haven't been recording so much, and I've been burning through a lot of my backup footage. So, yeah, if I'm not posting so much, it's that's the reason. But I'm definitely going to be posting more afterwards, and it's not going to be done when I let you all know about it, but it'll be close enough, at least for you all to play with it. Until next time, deuces, Rock fam!